Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and we're at the lounge at the Laurel at Preston Hollow. This is the lounge at the Laurel at Preston Hollow. By the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. What a gorgeous lounge. Look at this beautiful lounge. It's just almost a work of art. Look at the beautiful, really tall ceilings. Look at those circular windows. And the huge doors here. This is just stunning and amazing. Look at this. Wow, I'm just loving it. It's like the most beautiful home I've ever seen, frankly. This would be a wonderful lounge to relax in, maybe chat with some friends, play some cards, or just watch a movie, watch some TV. There's a fireplace that's there. What a gorgeous lounge. And I love this centerpiece too, this chandelier. Very nice. This is one of the best lounges really I've ever seen in my life. I love everything about it. So that's the lounge here. We're going to explore a couple more of the amenities. Just follow along with me as I do it. If you have questions at any time or you're ready to set up a virtual or live tour, send me a text. Just use the number below.